What's up neighborhood? This is Nico and nandito kami ngayon sa Solana, Zaragoza and papakita ko very quick overview lang ng Natalia dito. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Floor area is 118 square meters and minimum lot area is 156 square meters. So pagpasok natin ng Natalia unit, meron tayong carport dito. And then next is sala, dining area, and then ito space for the cabinets, and kitchen, bathroom, and extra space for your service area hanggang sa likod. Next naman is yung second floor. Ito yung first bedroom natin. Yan. Tapos, next, meron na naman tayong toilet. And another bedroom, pangalawa. And then, finally, ito yung master's bedroom natin. Na may sariling toilet and bath, cabinet, and meron siyang terrace. Makikita mo yung Mount Arayat and yung amenities dito. Again, this is Nico of Cruselli and we believe that everyone deserves an opportunity of home.